All right, so now that we have the script started for deleting the objects, the next thing is going to be to bring in, to import some of the items in question. We'll do just one because a couple of these items are rather large, and I don't want to get down to waiting too long on things. But what I'll do is I'll tell it I'm going to be using BPY, the ops menu or library. I'm going to import mesh, which is an STL in this case. I'm going to, let's see, define that I need a file path. And what that is going to equal is going to be right here. We'll grab one of the smaller ones. I'll just copy that as a path. I will come back in here and I will paste that in and close the parenthesis, push play, and hopefully everything runs like a charm. Okay, well, it appears that everything deleted like I wanted to. It's showing that there is an object that's been imported. I don't see it. Let's see what happens if I zoom in. There it is. Okay, beautiful. So basically what I'm going to do is just repeat this line of code for the other items that I want. Maybe in the future I'll explore more efficient ways of dealing with that, but this is a good start.